Good morning! Umaga na naman. Yan, cloudy. Tapos na naman ang trabaho natin. So kahapon nakita niyo yung routine namin. After ng trabaho, hatid ko sila. Then umaga na naman yun. Panibagong routine na naman.
Mike, any breakfast for you today?
I'm getting the grilled cheese.
Grilled cheese, okay.
And 2 of the iced lavender matcha.
2 iced lavender matchas. What size?
Make it grande, please.
Grande, we just don't have the classic that goes in it. Do you want to do vanilla instead?
Yes.
2 grandes, okay.
That'll be it.
Alright, we'll have those for you, Linda.
Alright, thanks.
Lithium. 90s alternative and grunge.
Alright. Thank you.
Have a great one.
You too. Umaga na naman, tapos na ang trabaho. Ang taas na ng sikat ng araw. Okay yan, okay yan. Mukhang mainit ulit ngayon. Pero baka mamaya pa iinit. Pero ngayon kasi kakalabas ko lang sa trabaho, medyo malamig pa. Kaya naka-jacket pa ako. Okay, labas na tayo. Oh, thank you Lord. Tapos na naman ang isang araw. Moist pa yung salamin ko. Okay, mamaya ulit. Ano na naman? Ano na naman ginawa nyo? Kala ko 7 ka pa uwi.
Yeah, but I want to get food first.
Ay, anong food? 3:30 na, 3:40 na, sinundo ko na ulit sila at bibili na ulit kami ng pagkain. Ngayon pa lang ulit sila kakain since kagabi. Okay, morning coffee run. Bibili kami ng kape doon. Walang kung nakikita ng camera to. Yan ang layo. Tapos yun yung mga nakapila sa drive-thru. Ito kami. Ang layo. Alas 9 na. Baka pag nakarating kami dun sa window, baka 10 o'clock na. Bibili pa din tayo kahit 10 o'clock na?
Yeah.
Ay, bakit? Ano ba yung kape na yan? Masarap ba yan?
Yeah.
Bibili mo ako, Jocelyn?
Walang pera.
Wala kang pera. Ay, yan ang sinasabi ko. Sino magbabayad niyo yan? Ba't nagyayapa kayo dito? Wala po akong pera. Patay na naman tayo. Abono na naman tayo. Hugot Fernando. Malayo ka pa dun sa may window. May kumukuha na ng order. Ano si ate? Hanapin na si ate. Meron kang app?
Yeah, I have a free.
Ba, may free ka pa. Nakakatipid pa ako. Nakaswerte pa. Ayun na, order ka na.
Good morning.
Hi.
What can I get started for you guys?
We're getting 2 golden iced golden eagle.
Yeah. 2 medium-iced golden
Okay.
eagles.
Okay, and then what else? Boyo.
Could I get a medium dulce de leche?
Yeah, medium-iced dulce de leche. Perfect. Anything else today, folks?
What else? That's
That's
it.
That's it.
That's it.
Perfect. So I have 2 medium-iced golden eagles and 1 medium-iced dulce de leche latte. It's going to be $20.75. Do you guys happen to have that Dutch Bros app?
Yeah.
Go ahead and scan that for you guys. Get your points. And then will that be cash or card today, folks?
Do you take tap?
Tap? Yeah. When you're ready, go ahead and tap. It is going to ask you a quick question on the tip screen. It's totally optional. While you do that, go ahead and get your stickers for today.
Oh, thank you for the
And then you guys are
stickers.
going to be merging right behind this Honda Accord further up
Okay.
before you get to the window.
Got it. Thank you. So, time check. It's 9:06. 6 minutes na kami dito. Layo pa namin. Yan pa kami. Layo. Ayan na kami. Malapit na. Pang-6 na lang. 20 minutes na kami dito na nakapila. Bagal po ng mga taga Dutch Bros. Huwag kayong bibili dito.
How's it going?
Alright?
You have the 2 ice golden eagles and then a medium ice selection.
That's great.
That's really true. Have you sure?
You too, thanks.
There's also
24 minutes bago namin nakuha yung kape namin. Dutch Bros! 1 star. That's my rate. Dito na kaya, dali. Tawagan mo ako. Ito na, dinap off ko na sila. Ang babagal. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Oh. Kape.
Thank you.
Ano pa, Jocelyn? Ano pa? Kaya ba dalhin? Okay, bye! Tawagan mo ako dyan, ah.
Okay.
All I want is to feel this way.